Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is dedicated to all the free stuff I got from my baby registries and like stuff I signed up for when I was trying to pick what I wanted to purchase for my baby. Now I am about 37 weeks pregnant right now, so I'm very pregnant. Excuse me if I sound out of breath or if I just seem like I ran like 5 miles. It's seriously because I can't breathe. But this is stuff that I got from my BabyList, my Target registry bag, my Bye Baby registry bag, and I randomly got some stuff sent to me. Let's get into it. Okay, so the first bag that I got filled with baby stuff for free was from Pika Baby, and this is just like that 3D scan that you do when you want to see your baby. In my case, because of COVID, my partner couldn't come in with me to any ultrasounds. So the Pika Babies were really essential to us because I wanted to still give him that, you know, experience. We found out what the sex of the baby was with Pika Baby. We did a gender reveal and it was really special. I got to have my daughters in there with me. And I'm glad that I did that. So that I went that route, even though it does cost a little bit extra in my case because I couldn't do any of my ultrasounds with my partner or have anyone in there at all with me, it was really important that I did it. So they gave us this bag filled with free stuff. The first thing in this bag is a MAM bottle, and I believe there's a little pacifier in here as well. And then I just got this like bag filled with coupons and stuff, and they have like Oshkosh, some detergent, samples, 50% off, like 50% off certain things like Baby Breeza, Hello Fresh, just all kinds of stuff in here. It also came with some like bottles. If you're gonna pump, you can store your milk in here. I'll definitely make some use out of that. And then just more coupons. One thing that was cool is I got like this gift card thing, like it's filled with gift cards and from like different boutiques and stuff. I haven't purchased anything from it. I will go through and see if there's anything that I want to purchase. I pretty much got everything I need for the baby already, but you know, you never know. And then we got more gift cards. The gift cards that they gave us are pretty good gift cards. Like there's one for $50, there's one for $60, $35, $40. They range from like $35 to $60, which is really good. So you get like a savings of like $455 in just this one pack right here. And then I got a Similac sample. I am going to be breastfeeding, but I have this would be the first baby that I would be breastfeeding with my breast implants. So I am planning on exclusively breastfeeding. However, there is always that chance that I might not be able to produce any milk. So I am holding on to like certain samples and stuff of formula that I'm getting. For the next bag, I'm going to show the Bye Baby bag. And this is just the one that you go in there if you're registered. You go up to the counter and they give you this bag and it's filled with stuff. I did see on YouTube, like some people have more stuff in their bag. I think it really depends on the location. So I'll show you what I received in mine. I got a Nuke bottle, an Aquaphor sample. It says 3-in-1 diaper rash cream. A Lancino, this is like breast milk storage bags and disposable nursing pads, a boogie wipe, an Aveeno Baby wash and shampoo sample, and then a Palmer's stretch mark sample, a Bye Baby on board, what would you call this, like thing for your car, so you can put it on your window. And then there's a bunch of like coupons and stuff in here. Some coupons for some laundry detergent, Bye Baby credit card, which I did not sign up for because I do not need another credit card. It's like the last thing I need. Noodle and Boo. This is a hair and body wash, super soft lotion sample. I heard that this is a really good brand, so I'll be, you know, I'll probably test this out. And then this is just a moisturizing body lotion. OWLET. I did purchase the OWLET Smart Sock with the cam, so I will definitely be doing a review and letting you know if I think that it's worth your money, because it's very pricey. And then this is just some Mommy's Bliss gripe water. Now we're gonna move on to the Target Registry Bag. Okay, so the first thing in the Target Registry Bag is this Pampers sample, and it's a sample of, let's see. All right, so in the Pampers one, there is a $2 off for Draft, a $1 off of Pampers, $1.50 off of Pampers wipes, and then $5 off of a box of Pampers. There is a sample of their wipies, and there is a little diaper in here. Also, the Target bag comes with these Honest wipes, which I've heard a lot of good things about the Honest wipes, so I probably will be using Honest wipes and water wipes for the baby. And it came with a little Huggy sample. I did open this one just because I wanted to show Gary. I'm like, look how small the little baby's booty is gonna fit in here. So I was looking at these, but it comes with about 3 diapers, which is always good to have like little samples like that, because in the first, you know, in the first few months or whatever, you can just really get use out of all these little samples that you're getting by just throwing them in your diaper bag. And it also came with a little MAM bottle. Again, I think that there is a little pacifier in this bottle. A Dr. Brown's bottle, which I'm really excited about these. These are the anti-colic bottles, and I've heard really good things about them, so I am planning on trying to figure out like which bottles the baby, since I have a few here, I'll be able to see what he likes, and then I can go ahead and make a purchase of, you know, a whole pack of bottles of a certain brand. There is a Palmer's Stretch Mark lotion sample in here. We got water wipes, and then again you have your breast milk storage bags and your breast pads. And this is Similac Strong Moms, and it looks like this is electrolyte powder. Some more boogie wipe samples. Aquaphor Fast Relief Diaper Rash Paste. Baby Bum Coconut Balm, and this is plant-based ingredients. This one looks interesting. I'm gonna have to look more into this. And we got an Aveeno Baby Daily Moisturizing Lotion sample. And then also we have a little event bottle in here. I was looking at these bottles because I also seen that they have like glass versions of these bottles. So I'm really interested to see if the baby's going to like this bottle, the MAM bottle, or the Dr. Brown's bottle. So those are the 3 I'm probably gonna introduce him to, because I am planning on pumping and having Gary feed the baby, just so he, you know, gets that experience with the baby as well. And now moving on to the BabyList box. BabyList box is really cute. This is how it comes. And I did my registry with BabyList, so I'm a little biased because I really enjoyed BabyList. You can like literally add anything from anywhere on your registry. So I had things from like Target, I had things from Etsy, Amazon, all kinds of stuff. I was really pissed off because I did have a registry with Amazon, but because I have an Amazon Business Prime account, they don't give you the welcome baby box, which is really stupid because you pay more for your Business Prime account. And at one point I was like, well, I'm just going to downgrade my Prime account just so I can get that Hello Baby box, and that would have been stupid, so I just left it. So anyways, moving on. This is the BabyList box. So again, we have an event bottle, or Avent, however you want to say it. A Nano Baby pacifier. It looks like there is a pacifier in here. It says Hospital Go Bag Kit. And there's nursing pads, breast milk storage bags, a pacifier, and a coupon booklet in here, a little bib, which this is a really cute bib, so thank you, BabyList. And this is an Aiden and Aeneas. Is it Aiden and Anai or Aiden and Aeneas? I've seen it pronounced 2 ways. But this is a little wrap swaddle. We have the same little Pampers sample. So it has the diaper, the wipes, and some coupons in here. And again, we got some breast pads and some breast milk storage bags. We have a Chico pacifier. And then also this is a Boone pacifier. So you get like 3 pacifiers in that box, which is pretty good. Some Honest wipes right here. Little Yumi. This must be like coupons or something. Let's see. Yumi, this is a $35 off coupon. Coconut balm, got the Willow pump, $50 off. So some pretty good coupons from like some really good brands. A Palmer stretch mark cream, water wipes, Aquaphor, Noodle and Boo sample again. And then this is for like, I believe this is just to like let your guests know when you invite them to your baby shower, to let your guests know that you're registered with BabyList. All of my stuff was digital this because of COVID, so I wasn't able to use these, but that's really helpful. BabyList box had the most stuff and it's pretty exciting. I'm excited to try this out because I bought some swaddle blankets from Aiden and Anais, or Aiden and Anai. And I didn't buy any of the sleepers from them, so we'll see how we like it. And also I had to sign up for this one. This is the KIIND Breastfeeding Starter Pack. So when you sign up for the KIIND Breastfeeding Starter Pack, you have to know which breast pump you're going to use because it gives you like the little adapters for it. Now in my case, I got the Spectra S1, and this actually has an adapter for it. So it's really interesting. It's like a little system that you use to store to pump and to store your breast milk without having to like empty anything out or anything, you know, messy. These are the adapters, I believe. And then this is what the little breast milk storage bags look like. Now I am gonna use this system because it seemed like it was the most sterile way to do it. There's is it Lancino or whatever, the purple brand with the breast bags or the breast milk bags, but they're like soft bags and it has like just like a little Ziploc. This one's a lot better because it actually has like a little twist, so you know that it's not going to spill out when you're storing it. And the way that it works, I believe, is you put the storage bag in here and then you can pump it out, but you can also feed the baby. It doubles as a bottle. I did go and purchase the bigger pack of this because I'm going to try to use these as well. I don't want to get the baby too confused with the bottles and then with this. So I'm more so going to use it for the storage. But we'll see what happens because again, I don't even know if I'm able to breastfeed like that because of my implant. So we shall see. Okay, and then the last thing I got was these boxes of like Enfamil, and I have one of them open. Again, I'm going to breastfeed, but these are good to have because you never know. And then it also has like the 3 different, I guess, brands, or not brands, but like the 3 different, oh, trying to turn it so you can see. The 3 different kinds that they have, and then some like little pre-made bottles, and then also a nipple for a bottle. And I think you just put this nipple on top of this thing right here and it's already ready to go. So I might not even make any use out of this, and I might just donate it to somebody who, you know, is using Enfamil for their baby. But it definitely is gonna get some use because if I'm not gonna use it, someone else will. So that's it for all of the free stuff I got from registries and from signing up for things while I was pregnant. I am planning on doing a what's in my hospital bag before I have the baby. I'm not sure if I'm gonna have any time to do that, but I definitely I'm going to try. If you have any questions about anything I received in my bags, or if I like anything, or I ended up like purchasing anything that I received in my free bags and boxes, just let me know and I will tell you the truth. Also, I'll put links in for stuff that you can sign up for, like this KIIND pack in here and stuff like that. So yeah, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe and give it a thumbs up. Thanks guys.